Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the Luxuries beauty box by Next Beauty. From the name of the box we understand that inside we will find only mini size products. The biggest product I think will be in travel size, and the box itself is small and it doesn't feel heavy at all. Above the price, Little Luxuries beauty box worth over £40 and is retailed for £12. Our Little Luxuries beauty box is a treat for body, mind and soul. We've handpicked our favorite mini treats from the best in beauty. Everything sounds great, now let's discover the treats. First we find a small size product from the brand Rituals, the Ritual of Sakura body cream with organic rice milk and cherry blossom. I had this body cream in the past and I remember that it was very nourishing. The formula is rich. It needs a bit extra time to be fully absorbed into the skin. The Ritual of Sakura range has a lovely scent, is my favorite range from the Rituals. The next product from the box is from Eleni's Herbal Lavender Repair Mask. Create your own spa-like experience with the Herbal Lavender Repair Mask. This clay mask is a pep talk for lackluster skin. Brightening, decongesting and purifying, this heaven-scented mask rebalances your skin and soothing your senses. The brand Elemis have very good face masks. Now I'm using an exfoliating face mask from them and I love it. It leaves the skin soft and clean. Next we find a sample size product from Clinique, Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Serum. We found this serum in another beauty box from Next Beauty and I tried it. Everything that I can say is that it has a nice lightweight formula, is absorbing easily into the skin. About the results I cannot say anything well and will be unfair to say something about a product that I used only for a couple of times. Product number 4 is from the brand Velour NCEF Reverse Supreme Multi Correction Cream. This face cream targets wrinkles, reduce skin sagging and even out the complexion. Results: smoother, firmer, plumper and more radiant skin. From the brand Velour I tried 2 face creams and I remembered that I liked the texture of them but was mega fragranced. I don't know if this one is fragranced, but what I tried from this brand was. The next product from the beauty box is from Benefit Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Gel. This is a well-known product, doesn't need a huge presentation. Many of you know this product and love it. I am one of them. A very good brows product, easy to use, perfect for school run days. In a couple of seconds your brows are done and you are ready to go. This one here is in the shade Free. And the last product from the box is a perfume from Floral Street, Sunflower Pop. And this perfume we found it in a previous box from Next Beauty. It smells nice, it has a citrus fruity scent, it's perfect for summer. Okay guys, here are all the products from the Little Luxuries beauty box, and to be honest, even though we only have small size products, I personally liked what I found. Very nice beauty box we got here. What do you think? Did you like this box? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below this video. And this was today's video, I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!